In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Clutch.co company listings automatically using Apify. We'll extract data like company names, descriptions, services offered, hourly rates, ratings, and images from Clutch listings. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, go to Clutch.co. For this example, we'll open the page Top App Developers in Los Angeles. This page contains a list of companies that provide mobile app development services in that region. Once the page loads, copy the URL from the browser. This URL contains all the listings we want to scrape. Now go to Apify and search for Clutch.co listing scraper. Select the first result. In my case, it appears as the first one in the search results, but to make sure you're opening the correct scraper, you'll also find the direct link in this video's description. Open the actor page. The scraper accepts Clutch listing URLs as input. Paste the URL we copied earlier into the input field. Next, set the maximum number of companies you want to collect. For example, we can collect the first 100 companies from the listing. Now click Start to begin scraping the data. The scraper will now collect company data from Clutch automatically. The run usually takes less than a minute, depending on how many companies you're collecting. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to view the results. Each record contains useful information such as the company name, description, services offered, hourly rate, rating, and image URLs. This structured data can be useful for market research, competitor analysis, or lead generation. You can also export the data set in different formats. Click the Export button, then select a format such as CSV, JSON, or Excel. This makes it easy to analyze the data in spreadsheets or other tools. If you'd like to try this scraper yourself, you'll find the link in the video description. Thanks for watching.